Did you know that you can make call scripts inside of HighLevel? That's right. So whenever someone is calling someone from their phone inside of the HighLevel app or on the web app using the phone dialer system, they can see a full script as they go through the conversation. They can switch between different scripts. It's super cool. So let me show you how it works. So under our settings and then phone system and then voice on our sub account, we can navigate over here to call scripts. And this is super easy to set up. All we have to do is click add scripts, then add in a script name. So we'll do a script for not using AI yet. What we're going to do is we're just going to set up 3 different scripts for doing SaaS sales. So one script scenario will be for a customer that isn't using AI and we want to sell them on AI services. I went ahead and made this document with all of these different sales scripts for SaaS. So what we'll do is we will just copy the different sections of this script. So what we'll do is we'll just copy the script, paste it here. We've got this entire thing inside of here. We'll say not using AI yet. We can then scroll down to the bottom and click save. And I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 more. Throw in one for someone that's already using AI and then one for someone that's just not interested. So now that we have these 3 different scripts created, all we're going to do is use the web app, click this, and then we're going to go ahead and give ourselves a call and you'll see how this works. So once you or your team gets into the call, they'll see this little button right here for scripts. They can click that and then select the script they want to use. So we'll do not using AI yet. And then boom, there's the entire script right here on the left-hand side of the screen. And if we need to switch to one really quickly, like one to already using AI, then we can see the entire script here. So this is really awesome. This allows us to actually have a script that we can follow while we're on the phone with someone using HighLevel. So again, to set this up, just go to your sub account, go to settings, phone system, voice, and then scripts, and then you can set this up. This is a great way to actually better results on your phone calls and keep everything right inside of HighLevel. Now, if you have any questions about this, feel free to click below and get access to the blog to learn more about how you can set this up, or just drop a comment on this video. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.